Well, June marks the end of Spokane Unite's 90-day plan to address homelessness. To get a sense of where things stand, elected leaders from around the region met yesterday to talk about ways to move forward and help those populations that are struggling. KREM 2's Brandon T. Jones live in Spokane right now. And Brandon, what are some of the takeaways from this meeting? Good morning.
Yes, some of the major takeaways and the major conversation was how they can take away from those conversations over the last 90 days and turn them into action to improve the living conditions for people throughout our community. Yesterday, Wednesday morning, many people were gathered at the convention center for the Spokane Unite's presentation that they brought forward in terms of recommendations for funding, staffing, and structuring of a regional authority on homelessness, housing, health, and safety. According to the 2023 point-in-time count, Spokane's homeless population grew by 36% just in the last year. Volunteers with Spokane Unite believe establishing the regional authority would decrease those rising numbers by creating better resources for those struggling. Mayor Nadine Woodward said the issue of homelessness needs an aggressive timeline.
We need to be aggressive in how we address it so it doesn't continue to grow, because we've seen it grow, as you've seen the numbers. Our unsheltered numbers have grown.
Julie Garcia from Jules Helping Hand told us that it will be a challenge to get to the root of the problem on that timeline, but it is possible. Leaders with Spokane Unite are hopeful that by the end of the year, the authority will be near operational. Several volunteers spoke about how the regional authority will be funded by the Housing and Urban Development Department, Department of Commerce, and the CARES Act. As conversations continue on how to help out and decrease homelessness throughout the region, Spokane Unite is also encouraging feedback and ideas from the public. Reporting live in Spokane, Brandon T. Jones, KREM 2 News.